Alright everybody, we out here. My man Nolan just got the Mavic too. The full kit with the sweet backpack and everything. Yeah.
Talk to him.
Yeah, it's a great day for flying. I'm out here flying FPV because I don't fly no DJI no more. Just kidding, because I got the goggles. But here we go.
Let's do it.
Alright, through a bunch of updates, we are ready to go.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Bang bang.
Everything. Alright, so all you gotta do is put that controller in just like that. Yep.
Gonna lock it in a little bit.
Yep, just like that. It's gonna be really weird with that, so I wouldn't even try to force it too much.
Alright.
Yeah.
Bang bang. Go fly.
Yep. Yo, how to take off? Yo, some people just do like just that button right there.
Yeah.
That was also like the auto takeoff. But most, like how I learned was like, cause this is how like DJI literally tells you to literally go like this. I can't tell if it's going.
There we go.
Oh wow, it's just you just push down, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So and then you're good to go. Just lift up. Yep.
Oh.
That's you. All right. Now stop flying real quick.
And
All right. So yeah, it'll just stay there. I mean, for the most part. This is what this hover button is for. But remember, this is left and right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's left and right, so you can see how you can turn left and right and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And that's also your altitude.
Okay.
So obviously you can sense like
going up
and going down. Here, give it like a little punch out. Let's see what it like. See now you're starting to feel like the upscale. Watch those kids too.
Yeah.
He probably doesn't even notice, to be honest. But all right. So now the right stick is how you go forward and backwards and side to side.
Okay.
So go up a little bit, gain a little altitude. Okay, go up a little more. Like maybe like it'll tell you how high you are. Go to like maybe like 20 feet. You know.
Okay. There we go. All
right. So yeah, like 20 feet. All right. Now use this stick, your right stick, to go forward, like to come towards us.
I got.
There you go. Now we're getting there. Look at that.
I see. Forward, backwards.
Now go backwards. Yeah, there we go.
I gotcha.
Here. Now turn the drone around. All the way. Keep going. Okay. All right. Now also when you go to like the left, like you'll watch how the drone reacts. Like it'll go like just like that. Or if you go to the right, it'll react just like that.
Gotcha.
But like try like going forward and turning around to come back towards us. All right, so go push forward on the sticks. Yeah, there we go.
Oh.
And now you're seeing like the little orbit motion and stuff like that.
Yep.
And like the little orbit motion is like basically the smooth turn motion. Like it's really like just like that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So left, right,
so try going back. Like don't do it in reverse, but like try doing it like the other way. Like try making a right instead of a left hand turn. Yeah, turn the other way. There we go. There we go. That's crazy. There we go. Now you're flying, my boy.
Oh.
Now you're flying.
That. Oh my God.
Yeah, and you see, and it's so simple. Everything just literally does itself for you. All right, so we're gonna teach you a little bit about the gimbal. Let me start recording.
Okay.
The gimbal is this button right here, like this button right here.
Okay.
So with that you can like this button right here. With that you can like push it down and it controls the camera. But remember always to look back up because you won't be able to see what's in front of you if you're looking down.
Right.
So like now you can see when you go up, and like you can just change your angle at any point.
I see.
Nice.
And then I can move it downward. Yep. Oh. Move over a little this way. Oh, that's sick. Oh no, my phone. We are up here, boy.
Nice.
There you are.
Alright, here's the Chase Nolan and the Mavic. Yo! You know!
Oh, so sick.
Alright, what we got? you at. I can't see you, remember that. No, I just don't want like head-on collision. I'm like right over top of us. Oh, I see you. Just go in a straight line. I'm below you. Just turn the drone back to, yep, that way.
Okay, we're good. I found myself.
Here, fly back to you. I'll follow you. Yay! That is crazy. That is really crazy.
Yay! Whee! Go, 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 go! Oh, I'm right behind you, but I'm coming.
I'm coming back.
I'm coming, I'm just a little slower right now. Here we go. I'm coming back to you. I've got a hang for this thing. There you go.
Nolan's first try hitting the home button. And if you can see up there, guys. Oh, you see a little speck up there. Oh. And it's coming down. It's gonna come down at like, I don't know, like 2 meters a second. This thing is like really slow. We did not set up any type of anything on this thing, so. Yeah, it's landing, yeah, automatically, yeah.
That's right.
Yeah, just wait until the propellers cool off, not cool off, but stop.
And we're good.
You're good, man.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you always want to turn it off. Make sure the propellers don't get you. So it's always that one press. No, you're good. Yeah, one press and hold it. I give it a second.
All right, there we go.
You don't want that link to be like booty cheeks. All right, Nolan's ready to go for his second launch again. Let's see what he's about.
All right. Come on.
Hold it for a second. There you go.
There we go. We doing this?
Yep. You're good to go. Yee.
Oh. There we go.
Oh, it's not. Here it comes. He's coming for the low swoop and dupe.
Hold on, I'm gonna do this.
Oh, here he comes. Oh. Ooh. Hot boy. City boys, we up.
Hold on, now. Let me see if I can do this one here. Put it down a little lower.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Oh yeah. With this drone stuff, I guess. Don't like dip behind like large groups of trees, like, cause you can obviously fly above trees or whatever.
Yeah.
And like, let me just put this right here. Yeah, like you can obviously like go like past tree. You can go so far with this drone.
Yeah.
But like, dude, the second as you go like below that tree line, dude, your signal is so bad.
Really?
Yes.
So going through trees, like weaving through trees, is not the way to go.
It is not the way to go. Like that's what FPV is for.
Okay, fair.
Because like you're not like, because one, the sense, like not the senses, like the sticks aren't just like reactive enough, because like it's too slow. It's not as like reactive as you need it to be.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude. So like you can literally just, if you're, as long as you're up like at, I don't even know, like 70, 80 feet, like anything above tree level, you're good. Like, and then like you lose connection, it will come back on its own.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know what's like that home.
I know, that's just me playing.
Alright, how to land. We did not exactly go over this too in depth, but very important. You need to know that there is an automatic land button. Or if you approach the ground at a very slow rate and you just wait about maybe 3 to 4 seconds and you just wait, the sensors will always feel that there's a drone there. I mean that the ground is there. But right when you wait for those 3 seconds, it will automatically land just to make sure it's in a safe place.
Alright, we just finished up a little day of flying.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, my Vista blew for some reason, like a little short or something, and it's off. So Caddx, know that your Polar Vista is short. Sometimes, if you touch it the wrong way, F. But yeah, no one had a good time. I mean, I'm not even sure if I'm in the camera. No one had a good time flying this man and stuff. So it's been mad fun little hobby, everything. No one was ripping. It was ripping.
Mad fun. I would have no idea what I would be doing if it wasn't for this guy. So mad fun, yeah.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll see this thing flying soon. Until further notice, I have another Vista at home. Probably not gonna put it in because it's whoop season and it's getting cold. Like, it's getting cold. What am I supposed to say? So until next time, YouTube.
Yeah.